Rising 150 feet from the ocean, they're dramatic any time of day, but are at their very best in the late afternoon, when they glow in the most amazing array of colors. I was lucky to capture the cliffs at sunset. The Gay Head Lighthouse began service November 18th, 1799.
I'm so happy it made it. It made the Aquakina Cliffs and then the lighthouse. I sent the drone out. I think I got almost the entire island in the shot. I was up pretty high. Anyway, that was cool. So here I am. Anyway, way out over the ocean over there, and I even caught the lighthouse over there.